I should tell you. Actually, yeah, good. When I come back, I'll read the entire conversation to you. If you want.
Perfect!
If you want.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll be right back though.
Amazing. I eagerly await.
1 second.
Okay. I'm Mumei now. Ha. Ha. Oh, hello? Mumei? Oh, hello. I'm building a tree house. I can't. What does Mumei say? I'm not Mumei. I'm simply Guru. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, chat. Did you know that? Did you know? I can't. All I hear is me. Did you know that baby chainsaws were used in medieval pregnancy because when the baby couldn't come out, I just sound like me. When the baby couldn't come out all the way, and then they used to. When they come back, ooh. Oh, Mumei! Oh, Mumei. She's moving. I think she's back now. She's the moon is moving. The moon is moving. This is Mumei. Hello. Oh, wait. Oh, we'll hit the corner. Oh, we'll hit the corner. Oh, no, almost. Will the flathead fit in the corner? Oh, it's going. Oh my god, it hit the corner.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah. Thank you, Mumei.
Hello, sorry.
For letting me hit the corner. How was your idol meeting?
I had to find a battery.
Oh.
So I got a little lost because I don't have power directly from the wall. It has to come from a battery.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh, do you have electricity?
Yes.